Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to add transitions on Filmora software. So first we have to add the media files and then add them to the timeline here. Once they are added, we have to go to this transition section where we'll be able to see tons of transitions. So now when you hover your mouse, you will see how the transition will look like. Now drag and drop where you want the transition to happen. We'll add a couple for you to see properly. If they're not downloaded, they'll download. You can make the transition small, you can make the transitions long. We'll just do a basic one. Once you have added your transitions, you can play here. You'll see that there are transitions here. So this is how you add transitions using Wondershare Filmora software on the videos you're editing. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.